Okay, today is in town grocery shopping. We haven't got groceries in weeks and weeks and weeks. But I just thought I'd come in here, and I came down here to get the truck to feed the cat. And you know, I wandered in here and one thing led to another, and here we are. So this is looking good. Looking good. I do have some minor voids that I will put a second coat of epoxy in. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can zoom you in. Hold on, let me turn the light on. Let's start with the light. Okay, it's not bad. Not as bad as I thought. So there's a bit of a void. So I'm gonna mix up some more epoxy. Fill that in. It looks good on the top. Looks good on the bottom. So just a minor little void there. And another round of epoxy will fill that up. And I think I got, yeah, a little on this side too. So not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now and then stand this up and we're gonna go to town. We got Walmart and Kroger, and you know, we're gonna buy TV dinners because neither one of us feel like standing at the stove cooking, and it's just really bizarre, the weakness and fatigue that we feel this long after having it. You know, it's been a week now, and anyway, I'm not gonna keep talking about it, but I do feel a little bit better today than I did yesterday, so that's something. And Friday or Saturday, we're going after my motorcycle. And you know, I'm gonna explain why I went ahead and bought another motorcycle. Not now. In another video when I'm out here working, while I'm working, I'll explain. So basically, I'll tell you the short version. It seems like I'm gonna live a while longer. And there's only a few things I love doing. It's making knives and riding motorcycles. And no matter what complications having another motorcycle brings, I'm willing to suffer through it for a few more years of pleasure and enjoyment. Plus, you know, I go to the veterans' funerals and escort them to the cemeteries with a Patriot Guard. And that's one of the few things I do that I actually feel like I'm putting back into the world. I mean, you know, I can sit here and make knives all day, but at the end of the day, what difference does it make, you know? All right, I'm going to mix up some epoxy, get these two little cracks filled in, and tomorrow will be another day. I have been remiss about replying to comments. I'm sorry. It's really all I can do just to do the basic necessary functions of daily life. And I will get better. I mean, I always have felt like if you take the time to leave a comment, I should take the time to reply. And I haven't in the last couple of videos, and no real excuse, just exhaustion. I can't make myself do the things, you know, I'm working towards that. I'm getting better. All right, have a good day, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, it's better, but it's not perfect. So this is early morning. You can see right here, I still need to, here, let me move over into the light. There we go. So I'm gonna let this sit today. And when I come home tonight, late this afternoon, I will come out and put a third coat, and a third coat will do it. I mean, it's almost filled. So, yeah. Alrighty, we'll be back this afternoon.